Tell me if you can relate to this. You set big goals, you start with great momentum, and then somewhere along the way you lose it and you never achieve those goals. So let's talk about one of the reasons why your goal setting always fails. One of the most impactful things that I've learned so far in my life coaching diploma is that it's really important to attach an emotional connection to your goal. When you link your goal to a value that is incredibly important to you, you are way more likely to achieve that goal. So today I'm going to show you a really simple, quick way of emotionally attaching yourself to your goal so that you have a really good chance of achieving it. So let's do it together now as an exercise. I want to start by asking you, what is your goal? Take a moment now to state what your goal is in your head. So for example, it could be, I want to run 5 kilometers without getting tired. Okay, so pause the video now if you need to think of your goal. All right, so you've got the goal in your head. Now I want you to restate that goal in the present tense as if you've already achieved it. And I want you to use positive language. So to make that more clear, for our example, we would change I want to run 5 kilometers without getting tired to I can run 5 kilometers with ease. We're removing the getting tired because that's negative, and we're saying I can. That is as if we've already achieved it, as opposed to saying I want to, which is as if you haven't achieved that goal yet. Okay, so now you've got your positively stated goal statement. This is the goal statement that you should be writing down in places. And this is the goal statement that I want you to keep front of your mind as you are working on achieving your goals. So the next step is to locate the value behind the goal. Every goal is attached to a personal value, a value that you have, something that you value to be incredibly important in your life. If you haven't done any values work yet, I'll point you in the direction of some of my other videos, or you can go to my Inner Growth Starter Kit, which you can download from my page, and that will help you do a little values exercise and you can figure out what your personal values are. But you don't have to do that. You can still continue on with this little exercise. So by finding the value behind the goal, it simply means figuring out the deepest reason why achieving that goal is so important to you. And if you're familiar with the 7 whys process, this is almost a similar kind of process to that. So what I want you to do now is to state your goal once again. So let's go with our example. I can run 5 kilometers with ease. Now I want you to ask yourself, what do you get from that? The answer might be, I become more physically fit. And then you're going to ask yourself again, what do you get from that? Becoming more physically fit. What do you get from that? The answer might be, I feel happier and healthier. Okay, so you feel happier and healthier, and now ask yourself again, what do you get from that? What do you get from feeling happier and healthier? And the answer might be, well, I get a stronger mind and I build more patience. Great. And ask yourself again, what do you get from that? What do you get from building a stronger mind and having more patience? And then you might say, well, I get better relationships with my closest family members. And there lies in the deeper meaning and deeper reason for wanting to run 5 kilometers with ease. It's not just about being physically fit, it's actually really deeply connected to your relationship with your family and your value of having a good relationship with your family. So basically all you're doing is asking yourself again and again, what do you get from that? And what do you get from that? And what do you get from that? You keep asking yourself that until you can't really answer anymore without being repetitive. And that usually is the deepest value and reason why your goal is so important to you. So I learned this concept from an NLP book. I've just gone to get it. This is the book, Coaching with NLP, an amazing book for anyone that is interested in this topic. Goals are best achieved when there is also a system in place to achieve those goals. This is the type of video that I would like to make coming up. If you are interested in understanding how to set up proper systems to achieve your goals, then comment below and let me know that you want to see a goals and systems video. I am currently studying to become a life coach, and as I'm studying, I'm sharing valuable pieces of knowledge that I find helpful humble along the way with you guys. I can't wait to start practicing in my own business and help people to start living their own dream lives. If you want to go deeper into self-awareness work, then check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.